Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Many users are facing a situation where they try to change their account password, but the system shows a message saying the password could not be changed for an unknown reason. This can happen even after entering a strong password that meets all the requirements. Sometimes the page loads normally but fails at the final step. In some cases, the system may also show warnings about password safety or security policies. This problem can create confusion because the exact cause is not clearly explained on the screen. Possible reasons. First possible reason can be temporary server related issues. When the authentication system is under heavy load or maintenance, password change requests may fail without detailed explanation. Second reason can be session or login verification problems. If your login session has expired or security validation is incomplete, the system may block sensitive actions like password updates. Third reason can be application or browser related technical conflicts. Outdated browser version, incompatible extensions, or corrupted temporary data may interrupt the password change process. Fourth reason can be security policy mismatch. Some platforms restrict password patterns, recent password similarity, or repeated attempts within short time duration. Fifth reason can be unstable internet connection. Interruptions during submission of sensitive data may cause unknown error messages to appear. What can do? First step you can try is refreshing the page and attempting the password change again after some time. Temporary system conditions sometimes resolve automatically. Second, ensure you are using an updated browser or application version. Keeping software updated helps reduce compatibility related issues. Third, clear cache and temporary data from your device settings or browser storage. This can help remove corrupted files interfering with secure actions. Fourth, try changing password using a different device or network environment. This helps identify whether the issue is device specific or connection related. Fifth, carefully follow password guidelines shown on the screen. Avoid using recently used passwords or patterns that may be restricted by system policy. If the issue continues even after trying basic troubleshooting steps, then consider reaching out to the official support team of the respective platform. They can provide account specific guidance based on their internal system checks. Understanding such technical errors helps reduce confusion and allows users to take logical steps instead of panic. Always handle account security changes carefully and avoid repeated attempts in short duration.